Some people never go crazy. What truly horrible lives they must lead. We are all going to die, all of us. What a circus! That alone should make us love each other, but it doesn't. We are terrorized and flattened by trivialities. We are eaten up by nothing. The problem with the world is that the intelligent people are full of doubts, while the stupid ones are full of confidence. That's the problem with drinking, I thought as I poured myself a drink. If something bad happens, you drink in an attempt to forget. If something good happens, you drink in order to celebrate. And if nothing happens, you drink to make something happen. An intellectual says a simple thing in a hard way. An artist says a hard thing in a simple way. The free soul is rare, but you know when you see it, basically because you feel good, very good, when you are near or with them. Poetry is what happens when nothing else can. You begin saving the world by saving one man at a time. All else is grandiose romanticism or politics. The difference between a democracy and a dictatorship is that in a democracy, you vote first and take orders later. In a dictatorship, you don't have to waste time voting. Too often the people complain that they have done nothing with their lives, and then they wait for somebody to tell them that this isn't so. Beauty is nothing. Beauty won't stay. You don't know how lucky you are to be ugly, because if people like you, you know it's for something else. People are strange. They are constantly angered by trivial things, but on a major matter, like totally wasting their lives, they hardly seem to notice. I guess the only time most people think about injustice is when it happens to them. If you get married, they think you're finished, and if you are without a woman, they think you're incomplete. Writers are desperate people, and when they stop being desperate, they stop being writers. I didn't have any friends at school, didn't want any. I felt better being alone. I sat on a bench and watched the others play, and they looked foolish to me. In my next life, I want to be a cat, to sleep 20 hours a day and wait to be fed, to sit around licking my ass. Goodness can be found sometimes in the middle of hell. It's better to do a dull thing with style than a dangerous thing without it. Some people like what you do. Some people hate what you do. But most people simply don't give a damn. There are only two things wrong with money: too much or too little. The less I needed, the better I felt. Animals never worry about heaven or hell. Neither do I. Maybe that's why we get along. Regret is mostly caused by not having done anything. Stop insisting on clearing your head. Clear your fucking heart instead.